Okay, so it's gotten a lot more caramelized looking color.
It can be even darker if you mix it like longer. Now you can add this 100 grams
of butter.
Yes. Oh. So just mix it. See, it becomes red here.
Oh wow, it does. And you turned off the heat.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think sometimes you have to just pull it, and sometimes you see, if you see, it's like a lot of spots. So I think I have to actually have it on
Lower.
Yeah, because it's supposed to be like one.
Like blended. Would a whisk be better?
What's that?
Like this.
Oh, I think this one is better.
Oh, okay.
Just a little bit high. Because I think it has to be still warm. I don't know why. I think maybe it depends on the how do you call this?
The stove?
Yeah. On the stove, it's all different.
Now, was that butter salted or unsalted?
You can use either one.
Oh, okay.
I tried with both, and it was good always.
Either one. Okay.
This one is unsalted. And last time when I made it was also unsalted.
Oh, okay.
But
it was delicious. I'm glad you're teaching me this.
I'm glad to teach you too. But you see, I have like a little bit lack of English. When you go like deeper in a specific topic, I don't have enough vocabulary.
No, I think you're doing good. I think you're doing really good.
Yeah, sometimes I feel like I need more words. Takes time, but it's okay.
I think you're doing awesome.
Thank you.
If I knew Korean as well as you know English, that would be great. I could communicate with my family. All I can say right now is hello, thank you, and you're welcome. That doesn't get you very far.
It's okay. If you would live there for a year.
Yeah, I would probably do better, huh?
Yeah. For half a year, you will be very good, I think.
Yeah. It looks like it's blending a lot better now.
Yeah, it's a lot better. Because I remember when I watched video, she just did, she just like turned off the heat, and it was good. Also before I made it was also good, but now I don't know what's happening. Maybe it's different kind of honey or something, you know.
Oh, okay.
You have to put on heat that it becomes like warm.
Yeah.
So you can mix it better. Oh, you see, it's almost like.
Yeah, it's almost all blended.
Yeah. So when it's ready, it's almost ready. Okay, so we can just turn it off and put it. Now it's supposed to get colder.
Okay.
So I just leave it here.
Okay.
Now